Welcome to Tone and Transform Day 4. So we're going to do some upper body strength in this practice. So come onto your knees, your arms further ahead in a plank, and then what you're going to do is come down with the knees, bend back. So coming across into a plank, then bending back, keeping those knees off the ground as you push yourself back in space. Don't forget to breathe. Then knees down, come onto your belly, bringing your arms up above, and then we're doing alternate arm with alternate leg lifts. So just gently off the mat, one leg, one arm at a time. Then come back into your tabletop and just walk your hands in front and then drop your tail. So all you're doing is walking your hands forward, dropping your tail, and then coming all the way back, booty on the back of your feet. Walking forward and then coming back. Each time see if you can get further. And that's it, that's your first set. So you've got a minute rest. If this is early morning, maybe do some shoulder rolls, arms above your head, interlace the fingers, pressing up, moving side to side. Just start to get that spine moving, neck moving. Use this time to your advantage, this 1 minute rest in between. Here's lovely Bonnie wanting to join us as usual. Okay, so get ready for second set. So coming up into your tabletop first, press the feet back, and then you're coming back and forward. So when you draw the knees back, just keep the knees off the mat, bending back. So we're a little bit higher now. Drop the knees down, come onto your belly, alternate arm with leg. Just a very subtle movement, bringing some flexion into the back of the body, hips. Then come all the way back through. Bring your arms in front and your hips sink low, and then walk them back. This is just a gentle opener of the hips, using your upper body strength. Well done. So you've got a minute rest. Do what feels intuitive to you, whether that's moving, coming into a static posture, or just simply doing nothing. Just using this time well. I like to use this time for my neck, especially first thing in the morning. So we're going to come on to our final set now. It's coming back to tabletop, pressing the feet away from you, lift those knees, and then coming back. Forward in the shoulders, back in the knees. Keeping those knees off the mat, hips coming back. So you're coming into like a bit of a bended knee down dog. Bringing some momentum now into the floor. Knees down, come onto your belly, alternate leg lifts. See if you can get much higher than you have been on the other sets. Right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg. Alternate arm as you lift up. Coming all the way back. Come on to our forward rolls again. pressing the palms into the mat, pushing the body forward, allowing the hips to relax forward and back, moving forward and back, and rest. Maybe bring yourself now into a wide-legged child's pose. You've finished that set now, well done. So just start to take this time now to gather your breath and start to focus on that breath, your inhale, your exhale, bringing some coolness to the body. Then our next set, we're going to be standing up for our first move. So start to get yourself ready at the back of your mat, feet hip width apart. And if you can't reach the floor without bending your knees, then bend your knees as much as you need to. And then you're just going to walk yourself forward and then come all the way forward into a plank and then walk yourself back. Walking forward, plank, walking back. So when you come into your plank, just bring those shoulders across and forward. Drop the knees, pressing down, coming out into a T now and lifting the upper body. Bringing that upper body up as you squeeze the shoulders back, but keeping those arms straight. Well done. Now come down onto your back and we're going to do some twists. So just maybe bring the palms together here and you're going to lift up and twist to each side. So really start to think about the core. Think about your upper body moving up and through space. And relax, you're done. First set. Well done. Take this time easing out any tension. Notice how you feel. Breathing in and breathing out. Got about 15 seconds to go, so just enjoy this rest if that's what you need. Alright, start to bring yourself up onto your mat if you haven't already. Come into the back of your mat, feet hip width apart. Coming forward into a forward fold to start, knees bent if you need to. Walking forward, pressing into plank, walking back, walking forward, plank, walking back. Continue in your own time. If it takes you longer than me, that's absolutely fine. Come down onto your belly and you're lifting up, arms wide like an angel, lifting everything up off the mat. See if you can lift those legs and coming all the way back onto your back, knees bent, feet firmly on the floor. You come into your twist, one way and the other way, lifting the shoulders, the head off the mat as you twist to each side. And that's it, you're done. 1 minute rest. So take this time, now that you've got the moves, now that you know what you're doing, maybe quicken it up a bit on this next set. But don't go too fast that it becomes too difficult. Listen to your body. Don't forget to breathe. Alright, if you haven't got up already, let's come up to standing, back of mat, feet hip width apart. And then lower down, walking into plank and back up. Walking into plank and back up. I'll let you do this in your time, so you don't feel the need to keep up with me. You can go faster than me, slower than me. Coming down onto your belly now, palms away from you, palms facing down. Come on, lift those shoulders up, lift the legs up. Couple more. Shoulder blades in, pressing back, come onto your back. Plant the feet, bend the knees, coming up for your twist. Center, twist, center, twist. And when you've got this is our last set of this round. Well done, and relax. Enjoy this rest. Just easing it out. Maybe just start to focus on your breath for a moment, closing the eyes. You might want to come up to sit. Maybe do some seated cat-cows or some neck rolls. Just give your body a break of the moves that you've just done. Alright, so for our next round, come onto your knees in tabletop, bring your palms further away, cross your feet at the back, and then you're just going to come down and up. So it's down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. Keeping those shoulders across the wrists, pulling those elbows in. And then come forward with your arms in a Y shape now, and keep the feet down, lifting the body up. So drawing those arms up and away from you. Imagine I'm holding onto your hands, lifting you up. Then I want you to come all the way back again. And now what you're going to do is lift the legs, put one elbow down, the other elbow down. So you're in a plank, alternate elbows. So if you just put your elbow where your hand was, and if it's too difficult with your knees up, then put your knees down. Come into extended child's pose or child's pose and just rest here for your minute. So this round is a bit more intense. So now you know what you're doing. Just focus on your breath now. You inhale, you exhale. Calm yourself down. Bringing that energy into your body as you get yourself ready for your next round. So come forward with your palms, ankles crossed, and then it's down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. So you're just drawing those shoulders across, keeping those elbows in. Don't forget to breathe. Come down onto your belly, arms in a Y, lifting your upper body all the way off the mat. Imagine someone's pulling on your hands, drawing you up and away. And then press yourself back up, coming into your forearm plank, alternate arms. So just keep your knees down, placing your elbow where your palm was, pressing yourself up and then back, extended child's pose. Well done. That's 2 rounds. So you've only got 1 round of this to go and then you are done. So really take your time, focus on your breath. Just got 1 round to go. Few more seconds. All right, so come onto your hands and knees. Take your arms further away. And then cross your ankles at the back. And then we'll begin. So down, down, up, up. Pressing into the palms. Really drawing those elbows back and down in space. Come onto your belly. Let's do our Y lifts. Lifting the upper body off the mat as high as you can. Drawing those shoulders up and back. You're nearly there. Well done. Pressing up. Coming back. And then we'll do our elbows. So elbow replaces hand. As you come forward. Remember, this is your last set. See if you can go a bit quicker. And release. Well done. And you're done. Well done. Thank you for joining me on the mat. Namaste.